These hospitals all have sent large groups of people here to learn, which just shows that they are dedicated to really taking care of the children of the Valley. I'm Dr. Whitney Kalin. I'm a pediatric hospitalist, and I'm the medical director of our clinical partnerships program and our regional hospitalist program.
Intubation, things like that.
This is our very first Train the Trainer event. We have a partnership with 25 different hospitals throughout the entire Central Valley, and we help provide information, education, policies, things to help them take better care of children in their own communities.
Because we don't do that stuff a lot, it's always helpful to get little tidbits and nuggets from the places that do this all the time, which is Valley Children's.
The Train the Trainer event is where we're bringing out different registered nurses and RTs to learn vital skills to help take care of pediatric patients. There is just not a lot of pediatric training in some of these very small hospitals, and some people are 3 hours away. The whole point of this event is to teach people who already have a knowledge base so that they can then go back to their home institution and disseminate that information and be the trainer for other nurses, other respiratory therapists at their institution. It's really Valley Children's goal is to help take care of kids wherever they are in our Central Valley.